People use AI for fun, but professionals use it for power. Today, I will show you how you can use AI to write your emails and even create your presentations in few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we need to understand why we should use AI in our work. It saves your time. It helps to sound more professional. It removes the blockers while writing any content. Think of an AI as your personal assistant that never gets tired. So first of all, we will explore how to write emails by using AI tools. So you can see I have already opened an AI tool that is named as Maestro Labs. So in Maestro Labs, we will generate we just need to add your topic of your email and rest will be done by this AI tool. So first of all, you just need to add extension of Maestro Labs in your Google Chrome. So you can see I have already added the extension that is named as Mail Maestro Gmail AI Assistant, right? So once you click on add to Chrome extension, it will automatically appears in your email. You can see the icon very next to that. This one is basically we have successfully added the extension of Mail Maestro, right? So click on this one. You will see a right panel opens in your screen, and here is the main interface in which you can just write your topic of write emails, right? For example, I have just copied write an email to sell the services, right? And at the bottom of this one, you can see a different option appears. First of all, in which language you need to write this email. So I have already selected English UK format, this one. Very next to that, this is basically the tone of email, how you can set your tone while writing the email. So this one is formal, professional, friendly, casual and appreciative, right? So let's say I have selected professional friendly. And very next to that, this is your sentence, in shorter sentences, or like in long emails or short emails. This is the format. So let's say I have selected the medium range, right? So you can see a button at the bottom that is improve. Click on improve and you will see it start generating. So see the magic. It successfully within few seconds it successfully writes the whole scenario, the whole email about how to sell your services. The best thing of this one is it provides you the three options. Option 1, this one. Option 2, this one. Option 3, this one, right? So you will just explore which option you want to proceed with. So just click on this one. For example, I want to proceed with option 1. You can see a button appears on the bottom like copy draft. Just copy and write your email and send to anyone if you want, like send your boss or send your clients or whatever you want to send, right? So this is the one way how you can generate emails. So you can see you will just see in matter of few seconds this AI tool will generate email without wasting any time, without thinking or email blockers or writing blockers or something like that. So you will just write your idea in this prompt section and rest will be done by this AI tool. So this is the first way how you can write your emails by using AI tools. So next thing is how you can create your presentations by using AI tool. So let's say a tool is Gamma AI tool. Let's say I'm writing Gamma AI. So this is one of the tool, one of the AI model to make presentations. Obviously there are some more, but this one is quite user friendly. So that's why I'm showing this one, Gamma AI tools to create your presentations. Click on this one. This is the main interface of Gamma AI tool, and you will see a create new option on top of that. Click on this one, create new. This section will appear on this one and you will see we have 4 options: generate, paste in text, import file or URL, generate from the templates. So let's say I have used click on generate. So you can see I have currently selected the presentation section, and currently I am using the 10 cards of maximum. You see 1 2 3. So let's see, I have just selected the maximum 10 cards. The next option is basically your classic mode, right? So this one I have selected the classic mode. Default section, this is basically your dimensions. You need to set your dimensions, so I have just set to default. This is your language selection, whatever the language you need to add on in your presentation, so select as per your need. Right, so this is the main prompt section. You just need to write your idea. So let's say I'm writing generate presentation on impact of AI on tech industry, right? So I have just written like generate presentation on impact of AI on tech industry, right? So click to generate this one, and you see it start generating, start making presentations. The one best thing of Gamma AI tool is it automatically adds the like 3D illustrations or images or write text. We don't need to add images, but while making manual presentations we just need to add our own images. First of all, we need to find out the exact images, suitable images, and the best fonts as well. So nothing will be done in this one. You just need to write your idea and rest will be done by this Gamma AI tool. So you will see this one, this is the first page. You will see it within seconds it automatically it automatically creates your presentation style. You can see this one. So up to 10 pages, this one. This is like how we can use your context. So this is optional. If you want to choose your minimal or detailed or extensive, you can choose as per your need. So this is the styling of visuals. You see this one. So you can see a total of 10 cards I have selected in this to make this presentation. So just click on the generate and you will see the magic. Let's start generating. See, it start generating 10 cards to make complete presentation. So you just see Gamma AI successfully generates a presentation in 10 cards. So let's play on like to present in present mode. Click on this one and you will see this one. So at the bottom of side you can navigate in your cards, in between your cards. So first of all we just need to click on this one. This is the very first screen of your presentation, the impact of AI on the tech industry, revolution and opportunity. So you can see it automatically added the exact and suitable images of AI, and you can see on the right hand side it automatically added the images. We don't need to add separate images as per separate sections, so we don't need to worry. All will be happening by this AI tool. So click on the next one. This is the second slide. You see this one. This is the third one, fourth, fifth. So while hovering this one, obviously you can edit as per your need. You can edit the content, you can edit the images, because I have just provided an idea like role of AI, impact of AI on tech industry. So in this way you can generate your professional presentations without wasting any time, right? In few seconds. You just saw this AI tool make it happen in few seconds. So in this way you can make your presentations as per your need, right? So the next thing is mini assignment. You already saw two AI tools, that is, one is Maestro Labs and second one is Gamma AI tool. You just need to pick any of this AI tool, make up experiment, make some practice of these AI tools by adding your own ideas and generate the rest of the presentations, and add a screenshot and comment in comment section, add in the comment section, right? So we have just completed this course, we have just completed this class. So in the next class I will show you the impact of AI on students, how students can use AI. So see you in next class.